Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Survey Junkie, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Survey Junkie website. Click on the Join Now button. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a password that meets the site's requirements. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Join Survey Junkie button to proceed. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation message. Click on the link in the email to activate your account. Fill out your profile information as requested. This includes details such as your age, gender, and location. Complete the demographic questions to enhance your survey matches. Once your profile is set, log into your Survey Junkie account. Browse available surveys listed on your dashboard. Each survey will display the estimated time and points you can earn. Select a survey that interests you by clicking on it. Read the instructions carefully before starting. Answer each question honestly and to the best of your ability. Submit your responses once you've completed the survey. Check your points balance to see how much you've earned. Explore additional features like daily trending surveys for more opportunities. Keep an eye out for new surveys that match your profile. Engage regularly to maximize your earnings and rewards. Withdraw your points once you reach the minimum threshold. Choose your preferred payment method, such as PayPal or gift cards. Confirm your withdrawal and wait for processing. Continue to update your profile for the best survey matches. Stay active and participate in surveys consistently for optimal rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.